Aha.
Ah. Hey guys, it's Courtney here with Little Kitten Krafts, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make mom tumblers. Let's get started. All products used in this video will be linked in the description down below. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know down in the comments. Voiceover Little Kitten Krafts here, and we are starting with a prepped 30-ounce push-top tumbler from Stainless Steel Depot. We are putting Eileen's Tack It Over and Over on it because we're going to do the tack it method today to this tumbler to get the holographic linear look just oh so beautiful. The trick with doing the tack it method is you want to make sure that your glue is applied thinly and with smooth brush strokes. Watch how I use very smooth brush strokes because you don't want any interruptions or clumping with the glue, otherwise it's going to make your burnishing of the glitter uneven and clumpy looking. Once you have the glue nice and dry, so it's tacky but clear, we're going to add glitter. And because we are glitter goblins, we are going to add a metric ton of glitter. Make sure that you have a catch sheet underneath because we don't want to waste any glitter. It's hollow. It's beautiful. We want to keep it and treasure it and love it forever. Once you have your tumbler completely covered in glitter, we're going to start burnishing it. It's very important that you never put this glitter, the burnished glitter, back in with your normal glitter because it's got a little bit of adhesive on it from the tack it, and you don't want to mix those two. Use a light touch and circular motions to really get that burnished in and get that beautiful linear holographic look. Once you have your glitter nice and burnished in, you want to spray it with a matte epoxy clear coat. And then once that is dry, you want to add your vinyls for your peekaboo effect. thanks to Mother Nature, I lost some of the footage on what happened after the hail came down. I finished playing the vinyls and then used a dark blue spray paint to paint the tumbler. Once the paint was dry, I then removed the vinyls, which gives us this beautiful peekaboo effect with the hologlitter coming out. Now what I'm doing is I am applying a clear coat of epoxy. This is a 30-ounce tumbler, and I mixed approximately 15 ounces. You don't need a thick coat of epoxy on this layer, just enough because we're about to do some water slide decals, and that's going to help the water slides be placed on easier. I used clear water slide decal paper for my artwork so that the holo could really shine through instead of the white background water slide decal paper. And then I applied another coat of resin to really seal it in. A word to the wise, the decals will try to scroll away and may even peel up. Honestly, I haven't quite perfected the water slide decal stuff, but it's a learning process. We all learn in this process. As a mom myself, I'm super in love with these tumblers, especially this one because, I mean, come on, I am a gamer. I love it. This also got some cool hippie vibes going on. I actually made this tumbler, the colored part, in my live stream, so if you guys missed that, we are live every Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Both of these are going to be in my shop. The link will be in the description box below if you guys love them and want to buy them. They're unique, one of a kind. If you like what you see, make sure to holographically sprinkle your love on the like button. Want to see more? Make sure to subscribe. Free to you, but it means the world to us. And if you would like to know when we post next, hit that little notification bell so it'll let you know. I'm Courtney with Little Kitten Krafts, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye! Which camera am I looking at?
This one.
Middle one, okay.
Whoosh!
No feet allowed on YouTube.
Hey.
Tucker, quiet on set! I actually made this tumbler, sorry. Bleh.